Oh yeah.
What the hell is that?
It's a smallmouth.
That's a here. You want the net?
Yeah, give me a net.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah. Here, hold this. Oh. Yeah. Let's get the freaking camera. Oh shit! I don't want to roll this over. Yeah.
You gonna send it back in or what?
Well, yeah.
All right.
Oh. Oh.
That's a big small one. I gotta get the. Hold on.
Oh, baby.
All right.
Oh, that's my biggest one.
All right. Hold it off to the side a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Hold it off to the side a little bit. A little more. Nice.
Oh. Yeah. It's a beaut.
Huh?
It's a big one.
Yeah.
It's got to be at least 3 or 4 pounds. I'll let my camera get that. Ooh. I kind of want to take one on my phone, but I can't. You took one though, right?
I got 2 of them. Yeah.
All right.
You're good. I'll send them to you.
Thanks. Small. Small mouth.
On helmet cam, too.
This one's in deep. This one's in deep.
Documentary evidence. Okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Woo! Biggest,
Wow, this is a hot spot.
biggest one ever.
Huh?
Biggest one. That's my biggest. Oh shit. Hold this for me.
What lure did you have on? That one, huh?
Document it. Storm Smash Shad.
Good.
Man, that thing, I thought it was a snake. Hit like a rock. Alright.
You got a little, your heart was beating.